On November 29, 1970, a mysterious woman was found deceased at Isdal in Bergen, Norway. The woman's body was charred, and her face was unrecognizable. A campfire was found near the body, and it was later discovered that she had consumed a large number of sleeping pills. But what really happened to this woman, and who was she? As we delve into the case, we find that the woman's death is shrouded in mystery, and the investigation that followed was marked by twists and turns. As investigators began to examine the woman's body, they found that she had unique dental work, and her teeth and jaw were removed during autopsy. Tissue samples of her organs were also taken, which would later provide crucial clues about her identity. The woman was approximately 1.63 m tall, with dark brown hair and small brown eyes. But despite these physical characteristics, her true identity remained a mystery. What secrets was she hiding, and why was she using multiple aliases? The woman's belongings were also scrutinized, and investigators found that she had a watch, 2 earrings, and a ring. She also had a matchbox, an umbrella, and a purse, which contained a notepad with decoded entries indicating dates and places she had visited. The woman had been to Oslo, Trondheim, Stavanger, and Paris, and she had used at least 8 fake passports and aliases. But what was she doing in these places, and who was she meeting? As the investigation continued, it became clear that the woman was a polyglot with a Balkan accent, and she often dressed herself up to look younger than her age. She was seen alive on November 23, 1970, when she checked out of room 407 of the Hotel Horteheimen, and she paid her bill in cash. But what was she doing in the days leading up to her death, and who was she with? The woman's relationship with a resident of Forbach in the summer of 1970 has been reported, but the details of this relationship remain unclear. The woman's death may have been the result of foul play or self-inflicted, but the exact circumstances remain unclear. The Norwegian intelligence service may have interfered with local police investigations, and the woman's connections to the Swiss banker François Genaud have been reported. But what does this mean, and how does it fit into the larger picture of the woman's life and death? As we continue to unravel the mystery of the Isdal woman, we are left with more questions than answers. The woman's remains were buried in a zinc coffin on February 5, 1971, and her case remains one of the most intriguing unsolved mysteries in Norwegian history. The woman's true identity and the circumstances of her death continue to fascinate and haunt us. As we reflect on the case, we are reminded that sometimes the truth is more complex and mysterious than we can ever imagine. The woman's mtDNA haplogroup H24 indicates a matrilineal line of descent originating in Southeast Europe or Southwest Asia. This clue has sparked further investigation into the woman's origins and possible connections to this region. But what does this mean, and how does it fit into the larger picture of the woman's life and death? The woman had 135 Norwegian kroner, Belgian, British, and Swiss coins, as well as 5 100 Deutsche Mark notes. She also had maps, timetables, and a pair of non-prescription glasses. These belongings suggest that the woman was a traveler, but what was she doing in these places, and who was she meeting? The woman's fur hat with traces of petrol and her rubber boots suggest that she may have been in a rural or outdoor setting before her death. But what was she doing in this setting, and how did she end up at Isdal? The woman's sunglasses with partial fingerprints that match the woman have also been found, but what do these clues reveal about her final days? The woman's cosmetics and plastic passport holders suggest that she was a woman who took care of her appearance and was prepared for travel. But what does this reveal about her personality and lifestyle? The woman's eczema cream and other personal items have also been found, but what do these clues reveal about her health and well-being? The woman's relationship with the resident of Forbach in the summer of 1970 has been reported, but the details of this relationship remain unclear. The woman's refusal to share personal details and her use of multiple aliases suggest that she was a private person who was hiding something. But what was she hiding, and why was she so secretive? The woman's case remains one of the most intriguing unsolved mysteries in Norwegian history. The woman's true identity and the circumstances of her death continue to fascinate and haunt us. As we reflect on the case, we are reminded that sometimes the truth is more complex and mysterious than we can ever imagine. But what will it take to finally uncover the truth about the Isdal woman?